what's going on, everybody out there? This is Jakejames Lugo, Senior Editor here at thecoalition.com, and I'm back again with a brand new unboxing and impressions video for you guys to check out. We're going to be taking a look at the MyCharge Hub Max portable charger. Now, if you guys don't remember, we took a look at another different charger from MyCharge. It was one that was kind of more like a portable wall outlet, but this one's more akin to a portable charger that you would use for like your tablet, your mobile phone, maybe your 3DS, or anything of the sort that charges via USB cable. So we're going to look at this packaging here now. Again, it has a couple different little tidbits of, kind of like things that you pull out from the side and stuff, different cables, you know, for multiple kinds of phones. And I think it also has a Firewire, cable. It also has little prongs to plug into the wall outlet, so that way when you want to charge it, you'll be able to kind of like reduce it after you charge up a couple of number of your different devices. But we're going to open this up. Okay, it actually lifts up here. You can see the device here inside. The actual thing here, and then obviously it shows a little bit displays of the different devices and way to charge alongside, you know, again, when you're on a trip or if you're just, you know, moving around a little bit more often as opposed to just being at home. So anyway, we're going to open this bad boy up to see the actual device itself. Gonna pull off this plastic and stuff. But let me know what's up in the comment section below if you guys have been enjoying the unboxing and impressions series. Got a whole bunch of neat pieces of tech and other cool things that we're going to be unboxing for you guys very, very soon. Can't wait to share all of it with you guys. But either way, let's get this out of here, out of the actual packaging, because I know, again, it's... There we go. I had to move that out of there. I'm going to rip it open in order to get it out, because it's like this part here was blocking those sections to kind of remove it. But anyway, over here, okay, the way they got this packaging is a little bit weird. Okay, just kind of, you know, it's kind of like, you know, it's like one of those things that are kind of like sprung together, or not sprung together, it's just like, you know, squished together in order to pull out. There we go. So here we go. Here's the portable charger, MyCharge portable charger. We're going to put this over here on the side and, of course, stay on brand. But there we go. Here's the charger. We have the cables right here on the sides. We'll be able to look at, pull it out. We got a Firewire charger and we got a short little micro USB cable, which is pretty good. And obviously we have the little icon here. Shows how much power is charged in there. It's already pre-charged in the packaging, so I'll be able to charge the device on there. And then obviously got the little prong that allow you to plug it into the wall and have it charge up its juice altogether. So, and in addition, obviously, you got the USB in port, right here. So what I'll do is now, just for the sake of just showing for the demo, I'm actually going to use my phone to actually show you guys how this thing is charged. So we're going to have my phone right here, obviously. I'm going to use it, plug it in right here. I'm not going to use the, the little Firewire cable. We're actually just going to use the USB cable right here, which is this little cable here. It's a little out of focus, but you guys will be able to see that. But either way, this here, plug it inside. I'm just going to upside down. There we go. And then there, I think you should be able to hit the button. There we go. So now it's charging. So as you guys can see, it just went on. It's got the lights on here on the side that you'll be able to charge. And then in addition to that, if I wanted to, if I had another device that needed to be charged and they needed a fire cable right here, kind of like what you would put in the bottom of an iPad or an iPhone or an iPod, etc., you'd be able to charge it at the same time as well. So obviously, depending on the different devices, you know, the charge time for everything would be a little bit different here and there, depending on how big your battery is, how much power you're going to be using it with it, as well as also how long it could last, depending on all the different applications and stuff you use with your device. So overall, this is a neat little product. Again, if you're traveling, if you're, you're moving around more often instead of staying home, and you want something that's a little bit much more smaller than the previous charger that we looked at from MyCharge, and something a little bit more convenient, this might be the way to go. So regardless though, again, I'm actually going to unplug this so that way I don't overcharge my phone, okay? Just so I can show you guys here. Plug this back in, and again, look how convenient it is where you're able just to put the little cable inside, and it just kind of like squishes right then and there, and you can just put this again in your bag, in your purse, or anything of the sort. So anyway, that is the portable Hub Max portable charger from MyCharge. Let me know what's up in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this unboxing and impressions video. Leave me suggestions in the comments of any specific products or specific type of tech that you guys want us to look at here in the unboxing and impressions series. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the Koalition's YouTube channel for all our videos related to gaming, podcast shows, TK Spotlight, the Co-op podcast, the unboxing and impressions series, as well as also developer interviews and gameplay videos, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. With that being said, I will talk to you guys again very soon. Peace out, and stay epic, everybody.